Hello guys, let's continue our build. Back. Here's the build. Here's the build. That is the DD one. Yes, mine's get ready. Shot, boss. Most of freedom.
Tapang-tapang mo.
Ang tapang-tapang mo kapag nagagalit ka, tapos
Talaga, tatapong ngayon sa labas. Huwag ka na mag-cellphone. Lahat na lang ng itangan ng tindaan. Pati yan, wala na. Ano ba yan? Tsaka pag may utang, mamapatay na manok. Kami na doon sa nagdala ka ulit. Kasi sabi niya sa akin nung kumuha siya.
as of like it literally great. I'm being quick. This is how to make some coatings. There we go. Then I kinda wanna enter a new exit, which is the door. Let's make a door, which is the escape door, but here's the door. I mean, this is actually not a door. Then let's change the fitting here. Okay, this is going to be a this is not a canyon. There. Oh, let's get no deleted the wrong. I gotta make something hard. I already know this one. There we go. Ayaw niya eh. Go there, go there, go. Guys, by the way, there's please do not press. So please do not do anything with me. So I am making videos to make money. So okay. There you go. Let's just like this. Wait. These things are fake. They are fake walls. I guess they're so fake that they don't work. Mother. This underneath. I know clip. I won't know I'm not jumpy.
Hindi. Di mo na niutos ko sa'yo eh.
Ayan, asa na ulit? Binuksan ko ng ilaw, tapos nakamatipaklong. These are the things that are here. These are the tanks. They will already be attacked. They will be unsortable since there was a team.
Pwede ko na. Iyak ako niyan. Ito.
Ayun no kay daddy.
Akin na yan.
Oh my god.
pang-aapila sa idabolo. No utang, kung batik na tindaan pang nakapangan nila. Pag may pera sila, manalilo. Dapat yan na rin. Samahan
Yes,
mo,
Bobby.
ang kapikuan ka na, may utang ko, kwanto ko, di ba?
Huwag mo yan, sir.
Nagdirect ka doon sa nagpabili.
Si Daddy, yung totoong cellphone ni Daddy. Hindi yan, huwag mo sagutin si Mama. Si Mama.
Hindi matay ko. Mamaya na kaya. Kasi, ang pinantatulupin na lang.
Sabi niya, ay, oo nga po. Tagal na na.
I don't know what, I recommend you to use any further ones.
Sabi ko, 80 na mahigit ang puhunan yan sa palengke.
Sige ba? Meron.
Kayo
Awat?
bumili, bumili na isa.
Bakit sa kasiglan ko?
Sa kasiglahan,
Or maybe like,
pupunta ka naman sigla
Okay.
sa kasiglahan bumili.
I might use it. I'll use the case. Flag over on the top here.
Sa nakutang na eh.
Okay, this is only for education.
Nilagyan ko pa ng picture. Dito isa sa kasiglahan.
Ayaw na rin klaro.
Dito daw sa kasiglahan.
Tumawag pa yung ano. Tumawag yung...
This isn't a chop.
Ay, this is it. Ang lakad niya.
This is the boat that I made. Where's my grenade? I haven't put in grenades since I was people. Okay,
Lucy.
Ano pa naman? Lucia kasi pangalan niya yun.
Lucia.
Maria Lucia.
Mating binigay ni Daddy.
Maria Lucia Lucia.
Ay, Maria Lucia.
will be rhythm. It's not going to be
Kaya
a
para
rush.
sa sabi niya na naman, hindi ko bahayan na. Hindi ko bahayan na.
That's the Ukrainian boat that got attacked.
Pangalan ni Lucy.
It's the Ukrainian boat that got attacked.
Sisingilin pa si Sir.
And then, Johnny,
Kaya pangalan
the
niya.
helper, they caught. They attacked this. They attacked the west. Oh, you know what? Let's make it even more real.
Maniwala ka pa doon, Lord. Alam mo ba, mamamasahe rin sila magkaroon pang masahe ng
Hey boys,
kasiglahan.
look at this.
Wala nga naniniwala.
Wait, what are you?
Mas mahal pa nga yung cheesecake eh.
What? I don't see my feet much. Okay, I guess it's real. Fire! Yeah, I made that video.
Wala ka nang sinasabi. Ang nagpaalam.
Number 6.
Ang nagpaalam itong number.
Sabi na number 6 yung doon. Ginagawa ng bahay niya.
I almost dropped
Ako ang nagsabi. Eh kung ko, ang sabi ni Sir,
by an airplane in the top. It was an Air Force. This thing is a real force. My God, Danny. And this one, the last Let's get something! Drop by Destiny. There's like a air.